Hi everybody, this video is for Justin Bieber, and I made it a day early because I'm not feeling well, which is really hard to tell, but I'm not. Anyway, I have a slip up, so yeah. This is to say happy birthday. I've been waiting like a really long time to make this video. And I was supposed to be counting down. Sorry, the hours, but yeah. Happy birthday. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Justin. Happy birthday to you. And many more on the count of 4. I don't really know that one, but yeah. Okay. You are the sweetest boy ever, okay? Yeah, I hope you know that, because you are very sweet. I mean, like, I don't really know, but there's like a lot of celebrities that will do this, but there's a lot of others that won't. Like, you will go visit your fans in the hospital if they're sick, and then you help out with charity and everything. It's like the sweetest thing ever, and that's why you're my idol. Like, I idolize you. I look up to you, and yeah. But I love you so much, okay? Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Happy birthday. Happy 18th birthday. You are. I never knew you were gonna be 18. Like, you feel younger. I don't know why, but you seem so much younger. Not like, by the way, yeah, you look younger. But yeah. Just happy birthday. I'm not faking this sickness, and I'm sorry for the coughing. But I'm not faking this sickness at all. I'm not saying that I'm sick just so you can be like, oh, that's a sweet schmate, even though no. I don't do that type of stuff, because, yeah. You could end up finding out and then like, oh, she's such a, I don't know what you call me. But, yeah. So, yeah. I love you. But yeah. If you see this video, I'll be so happy. And even if you don't, oh well. Hopefully you do. But yeah. So, I hope all your birthday wishes come true, and I hope that nothing bad happens on your birthday. Because there's been some people whose birthdays have just been like, whoa, like, it's your birthday. Why would that happen? Then other people have the best birthdays ever. So, yeah. Happy birthday. That's mainly it. I was gonna say, like, something else, but, yeah, never mind. I don't know. Okay, I'll just say it anyway. You're, what? Okay, my biggest dream will be to meet you, but since it's your birthday, like, no, it's not your birthday, yeah, tomorrow's. Okay, it is your birthday, but, yeah. Yeah. And hopefully that dream will one day come true. And my second dream is to make a hand heart with you. Yeah, that's my second. Or to make a heart with you. I don't know why I call it a hand heart. But to make a heart with you. Yeah. Well, bye. I love you.